This is a knot that I've been using for a very long time. My dad taught it to me when I was just a little boy. I've tried a lot of different knots, but I've found this one to be the best. Have a lead-headed jig here, fishing line. I'm going to feed it through the eyelet, and I'm going to feed it through again. Then holding the jig in my left hand, I am right-handed, dominant right hand. If you're dominant left hand, it might work better to do it the other way. This is easiest for me. I'm going to make one loop. This string doesn't want to cooperate. This is a braided line that works really good for fishing, but it's hard to tie, and monofilament it tends to work better. It doesn't crinkle up. So I've made three loops. Now I take the line that goes to the reel. I take this tail, I put it underneath that line, come up and go through all through the three of the loops with the loose end, and then I pull it tight. And some guys will even wet the line, because some knots, I've never had any problems with this one, but some knots, so much friction will build up when you pull it tight that it can cut the line. And I suppose it depends what kind of line it is, if it's monofilament or not, what the weight is. I think this is like 20-pound test, and I don't think I've ever broken it. I've gotten caught in trees and all kinds of fun stuff. So there, it's all cinched up, and I'm going to use a scissors to cut off the tail. Oops. Yeah, see, this stuff is braided, so it's monofilament's easier to use with. But I found this green line, I think this is Dacron, I'm not sure, but it seems to last a lot longer than mono. If I was out in a boat or wading, I would use a nail clipper that I have attached to my vest, and that's a different video that I've done that for years, and it works great. But there you have it, best knot I've ever used. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.